Hello everybody, hope you're all doing well. Back to Neukum on Mars. This is part 2 of a 3-part series. I'm calling this one the Scatterings of Neukum on Mars. And in this one we're connecting even more dots. The high-rise photograph we're analyzing is called USGS Dune database entry number 0288-450. And you can find a link to this page in the description below. Acquired on the 10th of June 2009 at a resolution of 25.3 centimeters per pixel, and I'm showing you anomalies are cropped from the black and white JP2 map projected file. There's the low-res JPEG giving you an idea of the context in which these anomalies were found. Located 45.08 degrees south, 28.86 degrees east inside the circular depression called Neukum, and it's amongst the dunes in this dark patch. These are some of the strangest dunes that I've come across. Look at these strange S-bends, like snaking patterns, all in parallel. Equal spacing between them, very weird. Yeah, also they formed a circular pattern over there. There's a fork over here. How strange is that? Very strange how these dunes pass one another and then just start up again in the middle of nowhere. Check that out. Another circular pattern here. Anyways, this is one of the only buttes or little hills in this photograph zoomed out, and what I've selected to show you this is the very strange flat top to it. Here it is 1:1 scale, so it's about 70 meters long by about 20-25 meters wide. Two parallel sides to it, very smooth flat top. Doesn't look like any of the dunes or other geology in the area, guys, so that's very, very strange. I wonder if that's a natural occurrence, and if it's not, why is it flat on top? So the first anomaly is right there, another one of these very weird triangular objects. It's about 12 meters long by about 7 meters wide, and it's got a very strange crumbled up or smashed up piece on top, folded over the triangle. The apex is also slightly bent down, and this apex of the folded piece on top follows the same line. Check that out. Wonder what that could be. Reminds me of another piece that I found in Kotka crater some time ago. Also has this triangular shape to it, very similar in size and shape. However, this one's got a little dome-like feature in the center. I wonder what these are. Could they be a little craft that crashed there? As you can find in the video called Weird Craft and Structure Artifacts found in Kotka crater on Mars. And then this one over here, I thought I'd pop this in too, also from the same video. Looks like a little outpost. Check out the rectangular base underneath with an opening over here and a smaller little opening next to it. And then on top we've got this long narrow piece. And on top of it, we've got that little dome or sphere. That's about 3 meters in diameter. So I wonder what these things are. This looks like a little radar outpost almost. Next anomaly, also little structures on larger pieces. The dome or sphere on top of this one is about 4 meters in diameter. It's right there in the center of this part. It seems to be broken apart. A very strange shape to it as well. And then of course the dome right there on the top. Similar one over here. This one has a diameter of about 4 meters. And it looks like a disc that's embedded itself in this larger piece. The nice round edge to it. And then up there a little triangle. Each one of those sides is about 1 meter long. 90-degree angle there. It's another little structure. This one's about 5 meters across. Top of this larger piece. And it's concave in shape. Very shiny. Very nice round shape to it over there. The top is covered in sand and dust. And then it has a triangular shape at the back. With those nice straight edges and the round apex over there. So there they are for comparison. They look very, very similar. And once you see them side by side, you really start scratching your head. What the heck is going on here? Same size and shape. Placement on top of larger pieces. Check out this. Looks like a little entranceway or opening, and it's about, let's see, 6 meters across. Check that out. Looks like a little roof, a little shelter, possibly an opening over here. And then this area in front of it is hollowed out or carved out. So could that be a little entranceway or structure? There's another one from discs and triangular object found near Euripus Mons on Mars. And look at the uncanny resemblance. Also this little triangular part on top of the larger piece. And also looks like it could be open over there. Next anomaly. Some layering going on here in this piece, and the disc is about 12 meters in diameter, and the little rectangle sticking out of it over there, that measures about 3 meters by 8 meters. There we go. Looks like this little rectangular, I don't know, object part sticking out of this opening over here. Parallel lines here, 90-degree angles. Very unnatural looking. So could that be a little object or craft that's almost parked inside of this opening? Didn't quite make it in or out. There's a similar piece over there, and let's check. It's about 10 meters across, and also has a piece sticking out of this top part, and on top of it got what looks like a little hole. Also very, very weird. There they are side by side, and then I thought I'd put in 2 more. Both of these bottom ones are found in the video I call the Discs and Ruins of Pyramus Fossae on Mars. Also have something sticking out of a larger piece. There we've even got one sandwiched between 2 parts. So let me know what you think of these, guys and girls. Check out this. This looks like a little mask or face, and it's about 5 meters wide and about 6 meters or 7 meters tall. You can see the forehead, the 2 eyes, and the chin. Looks almost like a little grey alien's face with the two almond-shaped eyes there. Pareidolia, maybe, but it does look rather weird. There's some symmetry to it. This is it for part 2 of 3, the Neukum Anomalies of Mars. I hope you enjoyed it and found it informative. Share, like, and let's get the truth out there, guys. We're connecting more and more dots every day, and I'll continue doing so until the day I can't anymore. So do stay tuned. I'll be doing part 3 tomorrow or the day after. So if you haven't subscribed yet and you'd like to see it as soon as I upload it, remember, if you do subscribe, to hit the notifications bell. You can also find all the original images without the text and picture-in-picture of the webcam over at my blog, and you can also follow me on Facebook and Twitter. So thanks for watching, guys and girls. I'll be back soon. Until I see you then, keep well and be safe. Bye bye for now.